Welcome to a very windy Oslo, Norway. In this episode, we head out to explore the city and then back on board to check out more from Rotterdam. Good morning from day 4 here on the Rotterdam. We are currently sailing through Oslofjord toward the city of Oslo, which is our port of call for today. We're going to be docking right in the city center, which is very convenient, and we have plans to go in and explore as much as we can today, hoping that the rain holds off a bit. But first, the crew have opened up the bow of the ship so we can go up and get some fantastic views of the fjord as we sail in. So we're going to head up and check that out first. Okay, we made it up to the bow of the ship, but it's just a little windy and cold. Yeah, so here's a few shots from up here. Okay, we're just pulling up to the dock here, so we're actually going to take some time while we wait for the all clear to get off the ship and head up to the buffet for some breakfast. We haven't been to the buffet yet, so let's check it out.
And coffee.
And coffee for sure. Okay, this will get us going, but it was not a pleasant experience getting a little bit of food on our plates. More to come on that.
Looks like a bunch of saunas. You're okay? Oh, yeah.
Okay, we are in windy Oslo. Okay, so we're going to use a hop-on, hop-off bus to get around Oslo today. We've chosen a few things that we're hoping to see, but we're going to make our way to the furthest away point and then throughout the day make our way back toward the city center. So let's get started. All right, our first stop is the Royal Palace, which is just up ahead there. All right, making our way toward the palace. It's always funny how some of these places look way bigger in person than what you see on video or brochures. And this is one of those examples for us. Okay, we're just in the very back of the palace now. So the entrance for the actual guided tours of the palace happens in the back here. We're not going inside ourselves today. Maud. My, what a long neck you have. Okay, that was a nice little stroll around the palace grounds.
It
but
was.
We're gonna head back down the hill here and see where we end up next. Okay, we've made our way about a half-hour drive to the, I guess, west of Oslo. We're going to check out the Fram Museum, which apparently is regarding an old explorer's ship. We're not quite sure. Let's go check it out before the wind takes us away. Well, it is an explorer's ship, a full-size ship inside here. Wow. All right, we're going to make our way over here. It's a little busy. The propeller. It's hard to get the entire thing in the camera shot because it is very big in this rather small building surrounding it. We're going to make our way up there, I think.
A little windmill.
Okay, we are on the explorer ship Fram.
From 92, so
Something
it's
like
old.
that.
Yeah.
From the forward, looking all the way back.
Okay, we're going below deck. Oh boy. Oh, even further down. Really gotta watch your head here.
This room was discarded after Nancy herself.
Not that much smaller than our cruise cabin.
No, not at all.
A record of scores was kept. Flavorful Chinese checkers. Reading from the web scope.
Императорское гидрологическое общество обеспечило
Going in.
The engine room.
It's interesting, you can actually smell the wood still from down here. The oil. So we're right in the hull of the ship here.
Was in constant use to increase speed and required continuous attention from the 3 engineers.
Seems bigger down below.
Yeah. Okay, we're right in the front, in the forward of the ship here. Down in the hull.
I knew there must be a buffet nearby.
I'm knocked out.
Yeah, I almost knocked my head on that as well. Oh, lunch.
Yeah. No thanks.
They turned some more lights on. That's good.
That's a better view with the lights on.
Okay, that's going to do it for our exploration of the exploration ship Fram.
Fram.
Yeah, pretty interesting, very warm, a little busy. But
Big ship.
Yeah, it's actually very big and quite interesting. So I'm glad we made our way down here. We missed the storm when we were up on top. The show is just going on now. You can buy the models of the ship, of course, here in the gift shop. So a little view from this side of the city, back toward the city center. And actually, if we go just over here, that is our ship, Rotterdam, docked just over there. There's water taxis and whatnot running back and forth, but I'm not sure I would enjoy that in this wind today. Okay, we're back in the city center, and our next goal is to make it to the Nobel Peace Center. Now we just need to find it. We've got our speed walk on. I believe these are the horses of the Oslo military, if we're reading the signs correctly. Okay, we've made our way onto a dirt road, hoping the GPS is correct. We've found the Nobel Peace Center. Now, if we can get over there without getting hit by a train or a bike, we'll be all set. Okay, here we go. The Nobel Peace Center. Okay, we've made it to what is probably our final destination today, the Nobel Peace Center. We're gonna wander around for a bit, and then we're gonna find something to eat, hopefully. Just next door is the National Museum. The Nobel Peace Center itself is closed today.
I'm alive.
I almost lost you. Okay, we're continuing to wander a little bit, just along the waterfront here. Every few minutes, there's a new, beautiful view. More sun with the flowers than there is in the sky. Not sure on this one. Okay, we wandered into the central station area, but this is not going to give us coffee. We're going to keep going. And there's a lot of people. Well, we're not going to bother grabbing a snack or a coffee while we're out because it is really busy right now. All the shops are super full and we don't want to push our time too much because we have about an hour yet before all aboard time, but we're in the area of the ship now, so we're gonna get back on board and grab something on there. To the gangway. Okay, we've got a little snack here from the Dutch Cafe. This should keep us going for the first bit of the evening. Well, we are all set for the evening. We're gonna go down and stroll around the promenade deck for a bit before we head off to dinner. And then we're hoping to check out some of the other entertainment venues tonight. And we're gonna go from there. Let's head downstairs. Okay, we're just pulling away from the dock here in Oslo. And apparently we're gonna be getting A little bit of rough seas tonight. The captain came on and said there will be some gale force winds. There was last night as well. I guess it's where I think it's the Baltic Sea and the Norwegian Sea meet, something like that. And we can expect that again tonight. It wasn't too bad last night. I kind of like getting rocked to sleep. So
Wasn't too bad.
Tonight,
Yeah.
They said it should be about the same, maybe not quite as bad. So we'll see how that goes. But let's continue on downstairs. All right, we've placed our order for a little pre-dinner drink here at Billboard Onboard.
With a nice view, it's time for dinner in the main dining room.
Well, good evening from deck 3, the promenade deck here on Rotterdam. It is a beautiful evening as we're just sailing out of Oslofjord. We're just out getting a few views of the sunset here. We just finished our dinner in the main dining room. It was good. We were kind of surrounded by people, so a bit awkward. So we'll fill you in a bit more on what we had and how that was in just a bit. But we're just going to take in the sunset here for a little while. Then we're going to head in, see what entertainment is going on, and we'll go from there.
Ladies and gentlemen, show your love. Side now.
Good evening.
Good evening. We are now out on our own balcony. That beautiful sunset is continuing, even though it's going on 10 p.m. Yeah, it stays light pretty late here. We're far enough north, but it's a little cool now, so we're just gonna enjoy the last few minutes of this sunset. But for this evening, we checked out a bit of the entertainment tonight.
Entertainment, yeah. BB King's.
Yeah, it was really good in there. Now, earlier we had dinner in the main dining room, and I had the turkey dinner. You had the...
I had the eggplant cannoli.
Yeah.
It was really good.
We both had the cheesecake for dessert.
Yeah, the stroopwafel.
Tonight was one of the better nights in the main dining room in terms of the food quality. They moved us around our table again because we've been having issues with our assigned table just being a little too cramped. So they've been very accommodating, getting us somewhere comfortable, and yeah, which is great.
And they keep checking on us, so yeah, it's really nice.
They've been really nice about that. But yeah, we're going to curl up here on the balcony for a few minutes and take in this. And then we're going to be up and about early tomorrow because we arrive at our next port of Kristiansand, Norway. And we have an amazing day planned for Kristiansand. You're definitely going to want to hit the bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming episode from Kristiansand. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out. But for now, we're going to call it a night here on the balcony. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Good night.